Hey everyone, it's Luke from websiterentalcoaching.com. Today, one of my successful clients, Chad, is joining us to talk about how he booked $12,000 in work in 4 days. Thanks for coming on, man. Tell everybody about yourself and what you do.
Yeah, so my name's Chad. I own a floor care company down here in Texas, and been working on some of the tactics that we're learning through Luke's program to be able to get our website bringing in more leads for our business, but as well as get some digital rental properties set up for us as well.
Cool. And what was your challenge prior to joining the program?
My first challenge was I was paying people for our own business to do all of our SEO, and we were getting nowhere. So we were spending thousands and thousands of dollars a month or a year for no results. And then the second thing that really sold me on the program was bringing in some passive income to be able to eventually supplement my business.
Got it. And the money you were spending before that was that on SEO and Google Ads or just one or the other?
Mostly just SEO and Facebook ads.
Gotcha. And this program, why did you choose this over others?
I heard at one of your interviews, and just did some research, and it seemed like I could connect with your training, and when we did our Zoom call, it seemed like you were legit. So so just went with you guys.
Well, thanks. I appreciate that. Was there anything in particular about the program that really helped you?
The training for getting the Google My Business ranking, and then just really being able to understand the tools that we can use to track our SEO helped me to find out that the company we had been paying for 2 years had done almost nothing, which is why our rankings weren't changing.
Right.
So over the past, I think, a year that we've had the course, we've been able to increase our rankings organically through the Google My Business to where we rank number one for multiple keywords, over a 20 by 20 square from our base location. So that's been
Awesome.
the biggest thing that's helped our actual floor care business.
Very cool. And what's the difference to your business now that you're ranking like that? What's the impact on you?
Well, we have jobs now that are coming in, that are just organic, and people are finding us through Google. For example, this week we have a $4,000 wood floor cleaning and refinishing job that came in from Google, and then we have three other jobs at about the same price that all came in from Google for about $12,000 of work that we've got from the Google My Business this week.
Very nice. So just like high ticket stuff all coming in.
Correct. Yeah, it's stuff that people, when they're searching, they're high intent buyers, much better than the paid advertising we were doing before, allowing us to close higher percentage and much higher tickets.
Love it. Okay, very cool. You rented some sites out too, right?
Yeah, so currently we have one site rented out in the niche, that's bringing in about 1,000 a month, and then we have nine more that are in the process of ranking, that should be rented out by summer, by the next 3 to 4 months, which will bring us about 10,000 a month. And then we've picked out our next niche cities and are having content written for 10 more cities.
And if there's anyone watching this, that's on the fence about booking a call and just chatting with me about the program, what would you say to them?
To do it, because the value that you're going to get and the amount of time that you're going to save trying to piece everything together, trying to learn this on your own, and just having a structured program to be able to go through, the time savings alone is worth the price, versus trying to figure out and test things on your own. Because we tried that for a long time, so I can vouch for that. So.
Well, very cool, man. I thank you for coming on. I really appreciate you, sharing so everybody can kind of hear this and just hear from somebody else who's in the field doing this. So it's really cool. Thank you.
No problem.